Today we are going to discuss about the basic commands in AutoCAD. So when I opened AutoCAD, before I am drawing the plan, what are the things to be done, that is going to be discussed today in this tutorial. First, when I open a diagram, first I have to set the units. In India, maximum we will be using meters, but when we are going to other places, it will be changed to feet or or whatever it may be. First, we have to set the units. The unit shortcut command is UN enter. So first, I am going to set the units. UN enter. The decimal maximum I am going to use is 0.00, and the unit which I told that I am going to use it is meters. The angle which I am going to use it is will be of anti-clockwise. So here I am not going to tick this clockwise. If I tick the clockwise, the angle will be taken in clockwise directions. So I am going to set the units. First, I have set the decimal into precision into 0.00. Next, I changed the scale into meters. Now I am going to give OK. Next command which I am going to do it is dim style. The shortcut command for dim style it is D enter. So here I am going to modify. First I am going to modify the dim style commands. So text, it is standard, it is going to be by block. The text height also I can able to set here, and the text placement, whether it has to be above the line or below the line, or otherwise it has to be in center, or otherwise extend, whether it is from left to right or right to left, everything have to be set here. Next I am going to primary units. There I have set to 0.00. The decimal separator will be of comma here. Next, alternate units. If you want to keep any alternate units, you can be able to keep here. Next I am going to give symbols and arrows. Here I am going to use as architectural tick. Here also I am going to use as architectural tick. Next I am going to give OK, and I am going to use as current. So I have to set as set current, and I have to close. Next, the limit here it is of in x and y it is in infinity, maybe minus infinity to plus infinity in x and minus infinity to plus infinity in y. So if they are in the plan, if they given limits of 10, 15, that is in my x-axis it's of 10 meter and in my y-axis it's of 15 meter, I have to set the command as 10, 15. Either you can go in limits, enter, the lower left corner it is 0, 0. The upper right corner alone I have to set, because we are taking only in plus directions, not in negative directions. So if my plan is 10, 15, that is in x is 10 and in y it's in 15, 10, 15, enter. Next, I have to zoom that limited area alone. So I have to use the command Z. Z is nothing but zoom shortcut command, and if you see the highlighted portions, A, C, D, E, P, S, these are the shortcuts we can use for these commands. So I am going to zoom everything. So I have to all. So I am giving A enter. Now it will be zoomed all. That is the limits which I given alone. So next we have to go for the shortcut commands. If I want to draw a line, the shortcut command for the line it is L enter. So first I have to specify a point where I am going to start the line. So I am starting. So if you see the line is in moving, it's not perfectly straight. For that I have to use ortho. The shortcut command is F8. Now if you see, it won't be moved in inclined lines. It will be only in either in X it will be straight, or either in Y it will be straight. So if I want to give the distance as 5 meter, 5 enter. today we can stop with this command. Next we can proceed all the shortcut commands of all the commands like rectangle, next undo, redo, everything we can see in the next tutorial.